guys, my name is Becca. I'm a current second year student here at UEA and I study international development. In my first year I lived in a place called The Village. The Village is just outside of UEA, it's like a 5-minute walk from campus, and I chose just to live there just because I liked the rooms and the way it was a walk onto campus in the morning. So sharing my home with other people is kind of strange because you're not really used to it at first, but my advice for freshers would be just stick yourself into it. I made sure I bought a doorstop and left my door open all the time so people could come in and say hi, and I eventually made friends with my flatmates really well, and we were like a little group for a while, which was nice, and I'm still friends with them now going into my third year, which is really cool. Sharing facilities like kitchen and bathroom can be difficult for some people, but what you have to remember is just to make sure that you leave everything as you found it and make sure you clean things very well, because we all know student houses are not the cleanliness.